Kamusta po sa mahal kong followers? How are you? Update ko lang po kayo sa condition ko, ha? Walang iyakan muna, buhay pa naman ako. So today, ginagawa ko tong video, September 11, 2024. What time is it? Okay, 10 a.m. If you have cancer, you have to fight. For those doctors and health workers watching, my diagnosis right now is neutropenic sepsis. Chemotherapy, they say, is a poison. It kills the cancer cells, but it also will kill some of your healthy cells. But the issue right now is we have to attack the cancer. The 16 cm mass, doctor says it is inoperable. Too many blood vessels already attached to it. If you pray for me, I think I will get well. If you keep on bashing me, I think I will die. I just ran for vice president. What did I do wrong? I did not do anything wrong. I love every one of you. I'm doing this for the Philippines. Di ba may kasabihan tayo? Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo is the Filipino worth dying for. You know my medicines, how expensive? I'm taking meropenem, carbapenem, highest antibiotics. But our countrymen are very poor. They do not have health care. They are just dying there from the corruption of politicians. Pasensya na po mga politiko, masasagasaan ko na kayo ngayon. Anyway, I'm dying. I don't care anymore. I don't care. I will tell you the truth. Politicians are corrupt in the Philippines. I do not have fear anymore. I don't care if you bash or like me anymore. I will tell you the truth. My relatives do not want me to make this video. But I said, I owe it to the Filipino people to be honest to them. I owe it. Mahal na 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 mahal ko kayo po lahat. Hindi nyo naiintindihan kado ko kayo kamahal. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Unang campaign ko, wala akong gastos kahit na pangalawa, wala akong gastos, wala akong niloko, wala akong inaway. Anong ginawa nyo? Binash nyo ako ng binash. Filipinos should be more caring, more honest. That's why we have all these hardships. Filipinos, love and cherish each other. Pray to the Blessed Virgin Mary. Pray to Padre Pio. Pray to the Lord Jesus Christ. I will live for every Juan de la Cruz. We need good people to run. Good people to run as senator, president, congressman, lahat. We should love the earth. No to mining. We should tax the correct people. Stop the corruption. Look, the Philippines is so rich. You politician, you bribe the people. You give them money to vote for you. You keep them stupid. You want them stupid. Our Filipinos have no health care. Everything I do for you. Ako na nga pinakamalinis na ginagawa. Minababoy niyo pa ako. May isang basher nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much? Is the politics just a game? All my 60 years old, I serve Filipino people. Lahat ng charity, all my charity work in Salamat Doc, in Makabayan Doctor, in doing charity work in Pasay Filipino Chinese for 25 years. We always give it to the Filipinos. If I do not put out this video, I will just die. The news will be, Doc Willie died one day. He did not tell his followers. He lied to his followers.